Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, 3 months after being suspended in the Senate, debates on the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA bill resumed this morning in the upper house.
The Senate suspended debates on March 9 because of possible implications following the appeal court ruling that the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, did not have the power to arrest and charge members of the police force.
But on Friday, the debate continued with the Senate eventually passing the bill.
The MOCA Bill 2018 seeks to create an independent and autonomous agency dedicated to combating organized crime, including corruption. With the court ruling in March that INDECOM does not have the power to charge the police, plus a number of concerns from the last sitting, Government Senator Pernell Charles Jr. brought a lengthy list of amendments for Friday's sitting. That included the deletion of several paragraphs of the original bill. But in addition to those changes, opposition senators had more concerns. Among them, the category of persons allowed to make up the MOCA Oversight Committee. The bill listed a retired Supreme Court judge, a retired Assistant Commissioner of Police or higher rank, a retired JDF Colonel or higher rank, and 2 other members with expertise in finance, anti-corruption, or public procurement.
I believe any committee like this would need someone from civil society, more so a human rights group, to ensure we have the balance and fair play. So I'm propose that we said 2 members, so perhaps 3 members, or say 2 members and of another addition 4, and a member from civil society or human rights groups.
But government senators objected, suggesting that special interest group members may pose a problem.
When they go on these boards and committees, they tend not to bring an overall view to their responsibility, but take on just a charge that they are representing this group, and that is their agenda. And it can be inimical to the committee. I think we should appoint people that have the necessary broad width of knowledge and information that can do a job completely.
It goes to show a lack of consistency in the policy formulation, because if we are saying human rights and other sectors like those should be excluded, on what basis do we include anti-corruption?
No, I disagree with you. The financial sector, anti-corruption and public procurement is a specific skill set that they want on the committee.
Human rights is not a specific skill set?
No, I won't.
Hello?
Mr. President.
Hello?
The opposition also took issue with the lack of a timeline for the security minister to present reports from the agency.
I noticed that there's no timeline when the minister should present the report to Parliament, both houses. So there's a timeline when it should be presented to him, but he has no timeline to present it to the people through the Parliament.
The objections were all outvoted by government senators, and the bill passed with 77 amendments. Herman Green, TVJ News.